Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to talk about milk storage and why proper storage is an important part of a safe and organized pumping routine. After collecting milk, it is important to store it in a clean container that is designed for milk storage. Using clean equipment helps maintain hygiene and keeps everything organized. Many mothers find it helpful to label each container with the date and time. This simple habit makes it easier to keep track of stored milk and use older milk first. If the milk will be used soon, it can be placed in the refrigerator. For longer storage, many mothers choose to keep it in the freezer according to recommended storage guidelines. Organization is also important. Keeping storage containers arranged neatly can make daily routines easier and help avoid confusion. When using stored milk, many mothers prefer to thaw older milk first so that nothing goes to waste. Planning ahead can make feeding times more convenient. It is also important to keep storage containers properly sealed. This helps protect the milk and maintain cleanliness during storage. Many mothers create a dedicated storage area in the refrigerator or freezer. Having a specific place for stored milk can make the routine feel more organized. Proper storage is not only about convenience, it is also about maintaining a safe and reliable routine for both mother and baby. With good organization, clean storage practices, and consistency, storing milk can become a simple and manageable part of daily life. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.